Okay, so trying to make an update video on the 435. I've owned this car for basically 2 months now, and I've been loving every second of it. Oh man, it is really raining out here. This came out of nowhere. Yeah, I got done with school earlier. I came home, I was like, you know what? I want to make an update video and do like a little POV drive in the 435. Hopefully this rain lets up, because like I'm trying to go on some like semi-curvy roads, so I mean I don't want to be crashing today. Like that's not one of my desired things to do right now. So the first round of mods are, well, one of them's already on the car. I mean I wouldn't really classify it as a mod. It's more of a cosmetic upgrade. But basically I'll show you all in a minute. I just got spacers installed in the car. I installed them a couple days ago, and the reason for that is because I ordered coilovers. Yeah guys, I don't know, can you even see, like, is this good? Is this a good angle? I really can't tell. But yeah guys, so I ordered coilovers from BC Racing. Not positive on when they'll be here exactly, but whenever they do, I'll definitely make a video on installing them. Oh my, that was a giant ass rock in the road. I really thought I was about to I keep getting asked what my exhaust setup is. Exhaust setup right now is the M Performance muffler, and then I have a resonator delete. In my opinion, okay, it's a great setup for people that don't like their car to be too loud. I can see why people would like this. All right, it's literally, it's a monsoon out here all of a sudden. People like this setup I have because it has a good tone, and it's not too loud, but you can definitely still hear it outside of the car. I definitely want to make it louder, which is gonna happen in the next few months. I did buy a boot mode license for whenever I do get my downpipe and bolt-ons and such. That was a huge ass dump truck. I did bring my actual like camera, so I'll switch over to that. Also, stay hydrated. Super important. Why are there these giant dump trucks on this small road? Alright. See if they fixed. Okay, they did fix the rough patches. Oh, still. This is probably one of my favorite roads in my area. It's kind of like on this cliffside, like oversaturated right there. This GoPro's super old. Yeah, it's this section. It's kind of short, but it's short and sweet. That's why I like it, because you go in, you get it done. You don't want to be going too fast around it. It's off camber, so it's a little weird. See, like, you guys saw how it was just storming? It's gone. It literally disappeared. I think this is a good spot right here. I really couldn't tell if it's a sidewalk or actually like a driveway, but I'm gonna stop here anyway, just so I can show you guys. So I'm gonna switch to this camera now. So I don't know if you guys remember the fitment on this, but this is where it sits now. So I got 12 mil in the front and then 15 in the rear. In my opinion, it's perfect. Shit's falling. In the rear, it's not perfect. I'm telling you, man, stuff's just falling. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it just needs a little bit low. That's really it though. Alright, so in conclusion, the majority of the mods that are taking place right now are cosmetics. And they're like, oh, why don't you want to do performance? And it's like, well, I want the car to look good before I start tinkering with it, you know? And honestly, a lot of people are the complete opposite, and I understand why. It's like, oh, you don't want to be bored. What's up, dude? It's like, he's just staring at me. But it's like, you don't want to get bored with your car. But I mean, either way it works out, because cosmetically you can be like satisfied, but performance wise you can be satisfied as well. but I'm just trying to do this car right. And I feel like I didn't do that with my old car, and there's a lot of reasons why I think that, but I'm not gonna get into it. It's just a long list of just BS, but I'm hoping that these coils get here in the next week or so. That'd be awesome. And a lot of people are coming home from school right now, so we got roads definitely saturated with people. That's for sure. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th? Oh, there he is. That's the 5th. That's all I'm counting. We're coming up on that straight. Close the video on a good note. Hopefully I don't miss a gear. And we'll do the windows, get you all exhaust. I'm telling you though, it's not very loud at all. Alright, so let's just do a good first gear rip. My camera on my head fucking looked like a retard, but whatever. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, traction still kicked in. I did not exceed the speed limit. I have no idea what that speedo's doing right now. I think it's my tires low key, but you know, it's whatever, I'll figure it out. Enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, it does help me out a bit, getting my videos recommended to people. Especially since I'm kind of new. But yeah, if you guys want to see more, just let me know. I'd be glad to make more videos on just driving this car. It's super fun, so I'll definitely be making a video in a couple days from now on that BMW show, so I'll see you guys then.